Okay guys, palaro na tayo ng warning. Ano, ito. Uy, pwede na lumakad. Hindi. Ano daw? Pwede na lumakad guys. So, start your wheel. Yes. This test is provided. Ano, hindi ko mabasa. So, please be honest. Okay. So, the server will begin. Now. Are you having a nice day? Yes. Have you looked around? No. Then take a look around. Done. Well, are you familiar with your... Yes. No, you are not. Okay? Dito ako. You have just woken up here. Do you know where are you? No. Do you have any heart disease? No. Good. Have you ever had a panic attack? No. Good. Do you believe there is a God? Yes. Do you believe in ghosts? No. Is that a way to anyway? Na are you answering this question of yes. Are you sure? No. Oh my god, ano yan?
I told you.
I told you to be honest. Do you feel comfortable in your room? Oo. If the lights went out, would you be scared? No.
Really, yes.
Ha? Sino yung bumakas? Sarado nyo. Ano to? Ano to? Ano to?
Nasa grassland.
Ano to? Part 2 to eh. Guys. Okay, di naman nakakatakot.
Taga naman.
Have you ever... No. I'm scared. No. Have you looked around? No nga! Do you have... No nga! Puro... No. Ano? No! Are you alone? No! Locked out the windows. Bro, what the hell is that? The hell is that? Yes! Hindi ko mapindot. Yes. Yes! Grabe to ah. Ay, nawala! Sabi na guys. Uy! Guys! 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 May nakita ako doon. Tapos pumunta siya dito. Take some time to relax. Relaxed. Hey, just... Yes. Ano? Anong sasalita mo pa? Natata. Are you alone now? No! There. Yes. Are you sure yes? Enough for you? Ano? Is all of this enough for you? Ano sasagutin ko dito? Yes. Yes na lang guys. Well then. Well then. Do you want to end? Oo. Ano mang? No. Di ako really dyan. I will ask you once again just to be sure. Do you really want to end?
Sabi ng ano ko.
Yes, fine.
Wow, ganda.
Tapos na ba? I get it. You can leave this room now. That door? Oh my god! Anong pinagsasabi niya? Ayoko pa. Sige nga.
Push.
Guys, hindi ko mapindot. Glitch ba to? Hindi ko mapindot, guys. Guys, ulit tayo. Leave lang ako na yung nag-glitch. Ulit tayo, guys. Ulit. Dapat pala hindi ko ni-know yun. Skip. Okay. Ulit, guys. Yes. Okay. Bawal daw ma-qualify. So, please be honest. Alam ko na, oo. Oo, bilis. Now, bilisan mo na. Having nice day, yeah. Have you looked around? No! Then take a look around. Done. We'll continue. Are you have... Ewan. No. Yes. No, you... tama. Tama nga. You have just been up here. Do you know where are? No. Do you have any heart disease? Ay, no. Good. Have you ever had panic attack? No. No. Good. Do you believe there is a God? Yes. Do you believe? No. Is that way you should yourself? Oo. Anyway, are you answering this question out of free will? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Good. Sabi na. Do you feel comfortable in your room? Ewan. Yes na lang. If the lights went out, would you scared? Uy! Hindi. Really? No. Good. Dapat pala hindi ko inano. Have you ever wondered when you will die? Wait. Totoo yan. Yes. Are you scared? No. Have No nga. Oo yata. Do you have... Oh my God! Yes! No. Are you alone? Yes. Oo, alam ko. Kita ko na yung kanina.
Bakit sinabi mo, are you alone?
Nakalimutan ko eh. Oo.
Yeah, bakit? No.
Yes! Sabi na, di ba? Ginulat mo ako, di ba? Kanina mo pa ako ginulat, di ba? Nag-work pa ako ulit. Oo. Ginulat mo ako na naman. Kala ko hindi na ako magugulat eh, kasi alam ko ang mangyayari. No. No na ako dyan. Oo.
Uy, wag!
Ano? No? Oh my God.
Kasi pag
Ano dito? Ano dito?
is all of this enough for you?
Ano?
Yes.
Well then. Ano sasabihin mo next? Do you want to end? No. No na ako dyan. Really? Oo nga. You have made this far. Sige pa. Sumilip ka pa dyan. Ano? And you
Magkain ka nga ng mga meat.
with us again just to be sure. Oo na. Do you really want to? No! Good choice. Kasi mamamatay ako dyan. Oo, kasi mamamatay ako dyan. Ano?
Yes.
Yes! No, you are not.
Oh, no.
Because of that. Grabe ka ha.
You
You are not qualified. you for... Ay, magugulat na ako dito. Please leave the room. No, God! I'm gonna die! Ayoko mag-leave. Disqualified na ako, guys. Tulog na lang ako. Disqualified na ako. Okay. Ayoko na dito. Hindi ako magugulat. Sabi na. Mali tayo na mga sagot.
Sige, ako mag-ano.
Guys.
Oh,
Ayoko. Wait lang. Last. Last, guys. Last. Ayoko na, guys. Goodbye, guys.